work done on the runner or runner power in case of Francis turbine. So to find out work done on the runner or runner power, first we have to find force exerted by water on vane. So first find out force exerted by water, force exerted by water on vane. So Fx we have to find force in x direction. So we know according to impulse momentum principle, Fx is equal to m dot v1x minus v2x. Now according to velocity triangles of Francis turbine, we know Vw2, Vw1 is the inlet velocity in the direction of x, in the x direction, and Vw2 is 0 for modern Francis turbine. So Fx is equal to m dot is nothing but rho into q, and Vw1 is V1x is Vw1 and Vw2 is 0, so V2x is equal to 0. So Fx is equal to rho q Vw1. So this is the force exerted by water on vane. Now work done per second or runner power is equal to Fx into velocity of vane u1. So runner power is becomes Fx is equal to rho q into Vw1 and velocity is u1. So this is the runner power. This is the runner power or work done per second on the run. Now you have to find efficiencies of the modern Francis turbine. Next point is efficiencies. So efficiencies. First efficiency is hydraulic efficiency. Now what is hydraulic efficiency? Hydraulic efficiency is the ratio of work done per second by water to the water power. The ratio of work done, it is the ratio of work done per second means runner power. It is the ratio of runner power to the water power. So hydraulic efficiency is denoted by eta H, which is equal to runner power divided by water power. So we know runner power is rho q Vw1 into u1 divided by water power is a gamma qh. So rho q Vw1 u1 divided by gamma is equal to rho into g. So rho into g into q into h. So rho cancel, q cancel. So hydraulic efficiency is equal to Vw1 u1 divided by g into h. So this is the formula for hydraulic efficiency of the Francis turbine. Now the second efficiency is mechanical efficiency. What is mechanical efficiency? Mechanical efficiency is defined as the ratio of shaft power or brake power or power available at the turbine shaft to the runner power. So shaft power, it is the ratio of shaft power to the runner power. So it is denoted by eta m. So eta m is equal to shaft power divided by runner power. Shaft power is denoted by P divided by runner power we know rho q vw1 into u1. So this is the mechanical efficiency. Now third and last efficiency is overall efficiency. Overall efficiency. So what is overall efficiency? Overall efficiency is the ratio of shaft power to the water power. Overall efficiency is shaft power to the water power. So overall efficiency is denoted by eta O. So shaft power divided by water power. So overall efficiency is shaft power is denoted by P and water power is gamma QH. So this is the formula for overall efficiency. From this overall efficiency, if overall efficiency is given in the problem, you can find out shaft power is equal to eta O into gamma QH. This is the formula for shaft power. As you know, we supply water to the turbine and runner generates power. So in that section you consider hydraulic efficiency. From runner outlet to the shaft outlet you consider mechanical efficiency, and if overall efficiency you have to consider, then from supply water to the outlet, that is shaft power, then in that total section you have to consider overall efficiency. So these are three are the efficiencies of modern Francis turbine.